Right guys, different video today. We're going to be heading upstate, or sort of upstate New York, and we're going to go check out our boat. It's been a few months since I've seen it. Where are we going? Left.
Are we?
I think it's left.
Should we put in directions?
It's left. Pause! Cut the cameras! Right guys, so...
We're going right.
Are we?
Yep.
We're going this way. Yeah, so we're going to go up and see this boat. I haven't been there or seen it in ages. I went up at the start of summer, or even before, to take the cover off just to dry it out and stuff like that. And I said I was going to go back up, but I never did. So, yeah, going to go up and see this. Thing was an absolute beast of a boat. It was good fun. And yeah, there was also some bad times, but cue the good times, baby. So yeah, as you can see, the boat was a hell of a good time. There was some stuff off camera as well. Major calamities. The thing nearly sunk like twice. It was just honestly an absolute cluster. But still, we're gonna go up and see if there is something we can do with it in the future, or just see what, like, if there's still any life in it. So let's see how it looks when we get there, I guess. And we are round the corner. I'm excited. Also nervous because it could be completely knackered. Oh shit, we're right here. Here we are. Let's see. It's still there. And Rob's here too. Happy day.
Yes.
There she is. Nice, let's go get a wee look at her. Right, so here she is. First impressions. From here, it looks good. Let's get this bucket off. Let's have a look inside. The old Four Winds 195 Sundowner Peach. It's not looking too fresh. But hold on, let me hop on up here. So up here it is nasty. There's leaves, tons of mold, and a pile of water. That's like, why is that? Oh, I bet you squirrels have like bunged up the screw thing. What's it called again? Whatever that thing's called, I bet it's got acorn in it or something, but let's have a look. Here's my tool to try to clear this.
Nope.
So that's not it. Well, it's not the greatest thing when the boat's filled with water.
Doesn't look like water.
Right, so I think first things first, I've got the old leaf blower with me, so blow at it to get the leaves out, get as much of the crap out as I can, and just try clean it up a little, you know. I don't think it's very seaworthy, but we'll see what we can do with it. Look, there's the keys! I thought I lost these bad boys. Thank you, leaf blower. Let's go for a cruise, baby. It doesn't go in. The boat is not in the greatest of shape. A good old clean, a power wash is what it needs. Look, there's a lot of all this stuff. But mind when we first got the boat, it was already like this. And we got it to clean up pretty well. There's literal plants growing out the seats. And there's the party piece. Hold on. The old 5-litre OMC Cobra. I think we done a wee bit of work to this, nothing too crazy. But the thing went pretty strong. So it'd be a shame to just see it go to waste. I'm actually looking at this. It looks like some person has came up and robbed parts off it. Not that that's a big deal because it is not the greatest machine, but still, everything on boats costs thousands. That stupid wee $10 part that's meant to be here, I'm guessing it's a solenoid. They'll probably try fleece you a few $100 for that. But everything looks not that great, to be honest, but there's definitely, oh, hold on, let's have a look. That's a wee bit, definitely a wee bit stiff. But here, nothing a wee can of WD won't sort. Or here, let's check the oil. Doesn't look too bad actually. Looks like there's some stuff getting in. I mean, I don't think I'd be taking this boat out on the sea again, but maybe a small lake where I could row to shore. I wouldn't trust this in a puddle, to be honest. In a perfect world, I wish it was an outboard, not an inboard, you know, you just take it off, put a new one on. But this thing, it was pretty speedy. It would do like 60-ish mile an hour. Which isn't too bad for an old boat, I don't think. And we put a ton of parts into it, like $4,000 worth of parts a few years ago. It should be a shame to see all that just go to waste. Let me know in the comments what you think we should do with this boat. Honestly, I think it might be a lost cause. But I don't know, I'm not a boat expert. I just know that it's probably going to cost $3, $4, $5, maybe even more $1,000 to get this thing going. But I mean, it doesn't look bad. Let's see, we got it up. All this, when we first bought it, this was all like this, and we just gave it a right good clean. And it came out sparkling at the end. What do you think? Scrap it, or does anyone want to buy it? Because I'm open to offers. Right, so what I think we need to do now is just going to get this thing covered up and wrapped up for winter. We ain't going to be taking it out this year. And then we'll come up with a ton of cleaner, clean it up, and then see if we can get this in better shape than it is right now. But yeah, that's the boat. Some boat for one boat. Hey, baby dog. Hello, Clever. I've got a new pal right now. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a dog here. Right, so we're just going to get this thing covered up and then go buy a gallon of gas and some matches. Oh. Yes, I see you. What do you think? See you later on, Rob. Yes. So I'm really in two minds about the boat, you know. It'd be great to get it up and running and get it back out on the open seas. I'm not really that interested in boats, to be honest. Let us know in the comments what you think we should do. And yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. Give us a like and give us a subscribe. And then on the next video, we're going to be painting the Beamer. Finally, I know I've said that the last 2 or 3 times, but we're actually going to be doing it. Hopefully, the weather stays decent-ish. Yes, it's too cold to paint, but I'm still going to fucking paint it, am I not? What am I going to do, just wait till spring? No. So, yeah, stay tuned for that one, and we'll catch you at the next one, guys. Peace!